Good morning, children. In the last period of GK, we have completed the lesson number 2. And now, today we are going to continue with the lesson number 3, that is our natural resources. Nature has given us so many beautiful gifts. Let us learn about some of these below. Fill in the missing letters to complete the words. Yes, children, we know that nature has given us everything what we need. So, with the help of that only, we have to solve this or fill in the blanks. First one, I am found under the ground in a gaseous form, being produced from the dead remains of fossils and leaves. Who am I? Yes, I am natural gas. Second, I am also formed under the ground in a liquid form from dead remains of plants and animals over millions of years. Who am I? Crude oil. I am home to several varieties of plants, animals and birds. I help to maintain the level of oxygen in the environment and also protect the soil. Who am I? Yes, I am forest. Fourth, useful substances found in soil and rocks that are necessary for growth and development. Who am I? Yes, I am minerals. Fifth, living or biotic resources that provide us with food, leather, wool and many other useful products. Who am I? We are the animals. Number 6, substances that are very useful as raw materials for machines and industries. Who am I? Metals. Now question number B is, fill in the blanks to complete the paragraph below using words from the help box. And the words from the help box are metal, environment, energy, water, non-renewable, organisms, shortage, carefully, resources and renewable. And now here is the paragraph. Natural resources are materials and components that can be found within the environment. Every man-made product is composed of natural resources. A natural resource may exist as a separate entity such as fresh water, air, as well as living organisms, or may exist in an alternate form such as metal, ores and other forms of energy. Resources that can be replenished naturally are called renewable, and those that cannot be replenished or after formed slowly are called non-renewable resources. We need to use the resources very carefully, otherwise we may face an actual shortage. So children, this is the third number lesson we saw. In the next period, we'll continue with the next lesson. Thank you.